Wow, it's hot. Oh, sorry. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening everyone. So, wherever you are, selamat datang kembali di channel saya. Tonight, we are going to talk about something very special. So, buat teman-teman yang baru datang, baru hadir di channel saya, jangan lupa untuk subscribe. Okay, don't forget also to hit the bell icon supaya teman-teman tidak ketinggalan dengan video-video pembelajaran bahasa Inggris yang terbaru. Dan jangan lupa saya upload 3-4 kali satu minggu, Monday, Wednesday, Rabu, Friday, Jumat, and sometimes Sunday if I have time, but normally 4 times. Okay. Right, so untuk mempersingkat waktu, without further ado, let's get the lesson started. Okay, so tonight topic is about have, has, dan had. Kira-kira kita kapan gunakan have, kapan gunakan has, dan kapan gunakan had. Okay? Now, let's have a look. Here, I have written on the, it's not blackboard, it's a green board. Okay? Normally, you use blackboard or whiteboard, but tonight, or today, I'm using a green board. Okay? Right. So, let's see have first. Di have itu kita pakai kalau dia subjeknya I, you, they, dan we. I have, okay, you have, they have, and we have. Anak-anak biasa bilang I, you, Dewi. Okay? While has kita pakai dengan he, she, dan it. He has, she has, Tuti has, it has, cat has, dog has. But remember, cat and dog, dua. So cat and dog become they, menjadi have. Okay, you see here, they, it's a plural, so menjadi have. Okay, good. Now, as I told you earlier, bahwa kita gunakan have itu untuk present, okay, yang terjadi sekarang. Okay, let's have a look at the example. I have a pen. I have a pen. Okay, negatifnya jangan lupa kita butuh kata kerja bantu do. Okay, we need helping verb, kata kerja bantu do, lalu tambahkan not. I have a pen menjadi I do not have a pen. I don't have a pen. And then questionnya atau interrogatifnya atau kata tanyanya, do I have a pen? Do I have a pen? Kalau yes, yes you do. And then no you don't. Bolehkah dijawab dengan yes, I have? Sebaiknya jangan. Okay, meskipun itu boleh. Okay, the natural one yang alamiah bahasanya itu, do you have a pen? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay, so that's about have. How to use have dengan present. Now, what about has? Okay, what about has? Has itu kalau subjeknya saya sudah bilang tadi, he, she, it. Take an example. She has a car. Okay. She doesn't have a car. Let me repeat. She does not have a car or she doesn't have a car. Okay? So you see here, does not, and then here become have. Why have? Kenapa bukan she doesn't has? Because das-nya sudah dipakai di sini, as-nya sudah ada. Alright, sudah dasnya sudah dipakai di situ. So we've got to say she doesn't have, not she doesn't has. Remember, she doesn't have, bukan she doesn't has. Okay, double has jadinya. Okay, so she doesn't have a car. Questionnya, does she have a car? Once again, does she have, not does she has. Okay, does she have a car? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Okay, now let's go on to number 2 about past tense. Okay, of course in past tense kita menggunakan had, ya. Remember, jadi have dan has itu adalah irregular verb. Bentuk pertamanya have, has, keduanya had, dan ketiganya juga had. Okay, so have, had. Now, had ini kita gunakan untuk past tense. Ya, jadi had ini kita gunakan untuk apa? Untuk past tense. Have a look at here. Jadi past tense itu kita menggunakan all subject. Jadi all subject itu menggunakan past tense. Kalau di sini kita lihat are, we, you, they plus have, he, she, it plus has. Sedangkan had itu menggunakan semua subjek. I had, you had, okay, we had, they had. He had juga, she had juga, it had, cat had. Okay? Now let's have a look at the example. Kita lihat contohnya. He had a cat last week. Okay? He had a cat last week. Sekarang kira-kira sekarang masih ada nggak kucingnya? Betul. Jadi kucingnya sudah tidak ada. Kenapa? Karena dia punya kucingnya last week, minggu lalu. Remember, when we talk about past tense, we talk something that is, okay, that is not, okay, exist anymore. So the thing doesn't exist anymore. Jadi hal itu, benda itu, sesuatu itu, kejadian itu tidak lagi terjadi seperti sekarang. Okay? So he had a cat last week. It's affirmative, kalimat berita. Kemudian kita menjadikannya negatif menjadi he didn't. Have a look. He did not. Kembali ke bentuk pertama menjadi have. Okay, have a look. The word that I underline, yang saya garis bawahi, he didn't have or he did not have. Jadi bukan he didn't had, kembali kepada have. Kenapa? Karena jangan lupa tadi have, has, had, kembali ke bentuk awal atau bentuk semula, yakni have. He didn't have a cat last week. Questionnya gimana? Of course, you just put did. Okay, did he have a cat? Kalau ada, yes he did, no he didn't. Okay, alright. Now, that's about subject. Okay, past tense daripada have adalah had. Now, there's something important, there's something that you should know, you should remember, bahwa have itu artinya memiliki, that's for possessions. Ketika dia artinya memiliki, berarti kita tidak bisa menambahkan ing. Jadi kata have itu kita tidak bisa menambahkan ing. You cannot say I am having a car. No. Because if you say I am having a car or I am having a house, okay, when I go out, okay, or when I go to Jakarta or when I go to Bali, the house or the car doesn't belong to me anymore. Jadi itu bukan punya saya lagi. Okay, so don't forget, you cannot, okay, put ing after have, which means possession, artinya untuk kepunyaan. But, there's a but, you can put ing after have, tetapi artinya bukan memiliki. Sekali lagi, kita bisa menaruh, kita bisa menambahkan ing untuk kata have, tetapi artinya bukan memiliki. Oke, tetapi arti tersebut tergantung daripada kata benda yang mengikutinya. Okay, you want an example? Okay, you got the example. For example, the word, okay, time. You can say I have a good time, or you can say also I am having a good time. Or if you want to make it, sounds dramatic, you can say, oh, I'm having a great time. Are you having a great time? No, I'm not. Okay, I'm in bad mood, for example. Or you can say also breakfast. Okay, lunch, dinner, supper, all kind of meal. You can say with have plus ing. You can either say I have a breakfast or I am having a breakfast. What is John doing? I think John is having lunch. No. I think John is studying. Okay, so you can say John is having lunch. Alright, you can put have because the word have here bukan berarti memiliki, tetapi sedang makan. So have di sini artinya makan. Well, good time berarti bersenang-senang. And another example, meeting. So you can say, okay, what does John do? John, okay, has a meeting, or John is having a meeting. Please don't disturb me. I'm having a meeting. Okay, please don't disturb me. I have a meeting. Dua-duanya bisa. Okay. So I guess that's it for tonight about have, has, dan had. I hope from tonight on or from today's on, you can now, how to use the word have, has, and had. Okay, so don't forget, have, has, had, it means memiliki. Dan ketika dia artinya memiliki, you cannot put ing. You cannot say, I'm having a girlfriend. No, you've got to say, I have a girlfriend. Don't say, I'm having a house. You have to say, I have a house. Okay, but you can say, I am having, or she is having, he is having, kalau artinya bukan memiliki. For example, he is having a cigarette. It meant he is smoking. He is having a lunch. He is eating lunch. Okay, so once again, I guess that's it. Don't forget, if you're watching me now and you haven't subscribed, I want you to subscribe now. And don't forget also to click the bell icon so you will not miss my next video, my new videos. Okay, thank you for watching. I guess that's it. Hope it's useful. See you next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace. Let's listen to this.